Your oil filter is what keeps harmful contaminants out of your engine, and the wrong one can shorten engine life faster than most people realize. Today, I'm ranking the 10 best oil filters of 2026, from budget-friendly daily drivers to premium synthetic and OEM-specific picks. Links are in the description with updated pricing. Let's get into it. Opening at number 10, the Quicksilver Oil Filter. Produced to meet Mercury Marine's original equipment manufacturer specifications for MerCruiser high-performance stern drive and inboard engines built by General Motors and Mercury Marine, this is a purpose-built marine filter, not an automotive filter adapted for marine use. That distinction matters because marine engines encounter operating conditions that automotive engines don't. Extended storage periods between uses, fuel contamination specific to marine fuel systems, and water intrusion. The M-pleated cleansing filter media removes oil contaminants specific to those marine operating environments. The anti-drainback valve ensures startup lubrication and eliminates dry starts after the extended periods that marine engines commonly sit between uses, sometimes months at a time. For MerCruiser owners, this is the filter. For automotive applications, everything above it serves you better. Number 9 is the A-Premium Spin-On Filter, the Toyota and Lexus specialist on this list, and the pick that earns its position through precision fitment and solid performance specifications for one of the largest and most loyal vehicle owner communities in the market. The fitment coverage is comprehensive across the Toyota and Lexus lineups. The direct cross-reference to Toyota OE part numbers, including the commonly used 04152YZZA1, confirms precision fitment. The semi-synthetic cartridge design delivers 99% filtration efficiency, rated for up to 10,000 miles, aligning with Toyota's own recommended maintenance schedule. O-rings are included. For Toyota and Lexus owners who want a properly spec'd aftermarket alternative that cross-references directly to OE part numbers at a competitive price, the A-Premium is a smart buy. At number 8, the AC Delco GMPF2232. Modern Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, and Cadillac engines are calibrated to specific oil flow rates and hydraulic system requirements. AC Delco GM original equipment parts are designed, validated, and tested by the same GM engineers who built those engines to internal engineering specifications that aftermarket manufacturers approximate from published data. The PF2232 keeps abrasive particles away from bearings and engine hydraulic components using specifications that are validated against the actual engine design, not a published spec sheet. Some AC Delco GM original equipment parts may have previously appeared as GM Genuine Parts or AC Delco Professional, different branding, same GM validated engineering. For Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, and Cadillac owners, the PF2232 is the correct filter. Number 7 is the Bosch Premium, and the fitment coverage on this variant is impressively comprehensive for Honda, Acura, Nissan, Infiniti, and Mitsubishi owners. The Filtech media technology captures and holds up to 14 grams of dirt and contaminants, a concrete, measurable specification reflecting real media capacity. Strong steel base plates and housings prevent warpage and poor seating, the failure mode that causes slow oil leaks that ruin garage floors and can go undetected until oil levels drop dangerously. The silicone anti-drainback valve ensures clean oil delivery on every startup, and the metal spiral wound center tube provides structural integrity against the pressure cycles that extended oil intervals create. For those vehicle families running any oil type, the Bosch Premium is a legitimate top-tier pick. At number 6, the Purolator 1. The high-density synthetic blend media delivers 15,000 miles of engine protection with over 99% dirt capture efficiency, filtration numbers that match the premium picks above it, at a service interval that suits drivers on extended but not maximum-length drain schedules. The PTFE-treated gasket is the material detail that separates this filter from standard rubber gasket alternatives. PTFE is heat-resistant and maintains flexibility through the repeated thermal cycling that a 15,000-mile interval involves. The double helix high-flow center tube provides both structural integrity and enhanced oil circulation simultaneously. The same architectural concept used in the Purolator boss above it, scaled for the one's application range. Wear-resistant metal end caps and the silicone anti-drainback valve complete a construction package that is meaningfully more capable than budget filters while remaining competitive in price. Number 5 is the K&N Select HP1008. The HP1008 is built around high flow rates, consistent high-volume oil delivery throughout the service interval. In high-revving performance engines and modified builds where oil pressure consistency directly determines both power output and engine longevity, a restrictive filter costs you on both metrics simultaneously. The HP1008 engineers that restriction out without compromising the pleated synthetic blend media's ability to remove harmful contaminants. The heavy-duty canister construction is solid and substantial in hand. Laboratory-tested burst strength and capacity back the build quality with data rather than marketing language. For performance applications and high-revving engines, that's the correct engineering priority. For standard everyday driving, the picks above it on this list push filtration efficiency further. Know your application and choose accordingly. At number 4, the Purolator boss. The Smart Fusion full synthetic media captures over 99% of dirt particles across up to 20,000 miles, matching the longest full synthetic drain intervals on the market without degradation. The double helix metal center tube is the construction feature that defines the boss's severe duty credentials. The helical geometry actively enhances oil circulation while simultaneously withstanding the extreme pressure spikes that occur during towing, hauling, and sustained off-road operation. A straight tube cannot deliver that combination under load. When oil pressure spikes hard and fast, that center tube is what holds. The Puraseal gasket's ethylene acrylic construction maintains a leak-free seal across thousands of heat cycles more reliably than standard rubber. For towing, hauling off-road, and any severe-duty synthetic oil application, this is the filter. The bronze medal goes to the Mobil 1 M1-110A, and the engineering logic behind this filter's position is as clean as product logic gets. The high-efficiency synthetic blend media removes over 99% of contaminants and is rated for up to 20,000 miles or 1 year of proven protection when used as directed. The heavy-duty canister is engineered to withstand up to 9 times normal operating pressure. That's a burst strength specification that tells you the canister won't be the failure point under any realistic operating condition. The anti-drainback valve protects against dry starts, and the enhanced nitrile gasket aids leak resistance through thermal cycling across extended service intervals. For Mobil 1 full synthetic oil users, this filter is the obvious, correct pairing. For any driver running a quality full synthetic on extended intervals, the M1-110A is a top-tier pick that delivers on every specification it claims. Number 2 is the FRAM XtraGuard. The proprietary cellulose and glass fiber blend media achieve 95% dirt trapping efficiency at up to 10,000 miles of protection, the correct service interval for drivers who change oil on standard schedules. The glass fiber component delivers finer, more consistent particle capture than natural cellulose alone while maintaining oil flow rates. The silicone non-drainback valve is rated at up to 3 times the hot oil resistance of standard valves, meaningful for both synthetic and conventional oil users because oil temperature extremes stress drainback valves regardless of oil type. For everyday drivers on 5,000 to 10,000 mile oil change intervals who want a reliably engineered filter that matches their maintenance schedule without paying premium prices for extended interval capability they're not using, the FRAM XtraGuard is the honest, correct answer. There are millions of drivers for whom this is exactly the right filter, and they deserve a top-ranked pick on this list that speaks directly to their use case. And the best oil filter of 2026 is the Wix XP oil filter. Built specifically for synthetic oil and extended drain intervals, the Wix XP delivers exceptional filtration and durability. Its synthetic blend media is strong enough to eliminate traditional wire backing while still maintaining 99% filtration efficiency at 23 microns. It's designed for severe driving conditions, supports intervals up to 20,000 miles, and consistently outperforms standard OEM filters in long-term engine protection. For build quality, filtration performance, and overall engineering, the WIX XP is the best oil filter you can buy in 2026. That's the 10 best oil filters of 2026 ranked. Links are in the description with updated pricing. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.